Polaris RZR Turbo Rear Fascia Mod How-To for GGB Center Exit Exhaust. Mark your factory fascia, as this will be the cut line you follow to remove the center portion of plastic necessary to accept the new tips. Using the cutting tool of your choice, cut along the lines you just put on the rear fascia. Double-check that the lines are in the correct location before doing any cutting. Use a utility knife or similar to join the cut lines and remove the center section. Using a utility knife or file, clean and deburr all edges of the plastic before proceeding. Position supplied powder-coated exhaust cutout in place, and using a 5/32" drill bit, drill through the factory rear fascia, using the holes in the supplied exhaust cutout as a guide. Insert a rivet into each hole as you go along to keep the exhaust cutout securely in place while you drill the remaining holes. Using the small washers supplied, place one on the back side of each rivet before you pull it through and snap it off. Your rear fascia is now ready for your new GGB center exit exhaust system.